Welcome to I Hate Cooking. My name is Pierre Robege and I really hate cooking, but I still cook because I'm too cheap to eat out all the time. My recipes are super easy to make, super easy to clean, don't take much of your time, and they taste pretty good. Today we are going to cook a perfectly dried beef jerky. Beef jerky is a perfect high protein snack that you can bring with you anywhere. It does not need to be refrigerated if it's perfectly dry. It only needs to be put into a sealed bag. It will easily last you for several weeks, and even more if you put it in the fridge or in the freezer. In terms of ingredients, you are going to need some beef. I use grilled round sandwich steak, and you are going to need some salt. If you want to use any herbs, spices, Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, you can be free to do so. And for this recipe, I will use the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro because it has a dehydrate function. You can do beef jerky in a regular oven. You can set the oven at 170 Fahrenheit, but I find that an oven cooks the jerky more than it dehydrates it. It's working okay, but I prefer to use this oven because it has a dehydrate function that is especially made to dry fruits and do beef jerky. It also comes with an app, so let's do this. So I will put the slices of beef on my stainless steel tray. This is a tray that comes with the Breville. This is a great tray because the air can flow above but also below the meat. This is very important. I will generously put salt on the beef. I just like the taste of beef and salt. I think it tastes very good. And that's it. We are going to put the rack in the oven and use the app in order to select the right program. I usually set the oven between 3 to 4 hours depending on the thickness of the beef. 3 hours is generally a great rule of thumb. You can start with 3 hours, then look at it after 3 hours and see if it's dry enough for you. If it's not dry enough, you can set it for another hour or half hour. And now what is great about this recipe is that we have 3 hours of nothing to do, so let's go watch some YouTube.
3 hours later.
I hope you had a great time on YouTube or TikTok. So let's take a look. This is looking pretty good. Let's get them out of the pan. Look at the texture. This is absolutely perfect. Very good. Perfectly dried, perfectly cooked, super easy to make. I will put them away in an airtight Ziploc bag, a freezer bag, and then I can put this in the fridge, in the pantry, or in the freezer. Then I can take this pan here and put this in the dishwasher, and I'm done. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can click on my affiliate links. I put an affiliate link for this great oven. So have a great rest of your day and I'm gonna tell you à la prochaine. It's a wrap, everybody! It's a wrap!